Welcome back to my channel, guys.
Actually, it's our channel now.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. It's K&M coming to you live and direct.
Going to Ikea. Because I have to redo my room. In a manly way. In a girly way. In a girly and manly way, you know? So I have to take him with me.
She doesn't have to take her.
You have to go with me. You have to pick your stuff that you like.
I don't have to.
You should. You need to. You don't have
girl
to.
Stuff.
But you need to. It's not girl stuff.
You go with your mom.
Who's gonna carry that for me?
They take it to the car for you.
So, we just got here. And he's still in the car. So, basically, the reason why we're here is because I want to remodel my room. Because we do live together and my room is kind of girly. So I need to give him his space for his games and I need to have my space for my makeup. Yes?
I need something from the back, like a towel or something.
So that's what we will be doing today. And I hope you guys enjoy. Here. I hate the store.
Try it on, try it on.
Which one?
Really? Majestic as fudge.
Oh, this is if it were to fit my big head.
50%, I don't know. 50%, I don't care. That is
That's
you.
me.
That is you. That's that thing. Ooh,
This
dang,
is
no,
so
no.
true. This is so true. Coffee makes me cool. We just ate. Now we're going to Ikea.
Ikea.
My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts.
My stomach hurts.
My stomach hurts. Tell the people about our boats.
Okay, guys, so right here we got the mini Coda Edge. Sells for about $4,000, but I can give it to you for like $5.
Over here is a little boat he got me. Cause you know, whatever.
I'm saying three stacks on there.
Over here is what we get whenever.
So we deliver the stuff to the cartel.
You know, let's go, bro.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be my second house.
Let's get a little plant. You like it? It's gonna go on your stomach.
No.
You don't like it?
No.
It's just gonna go
No.
on top.
Yo, look at my shoes. Well, I can't.
You can't even take it out. Okay, so I was thinking of buying him this. Should we take a picture? I like it. I like it a lot. You know? Do you like this little chair with it? Too uncomfortable. Too uncomfortable, but this is what I'm thinking. It's a Mickey desk. Let me take a picture.
Alright. Got it.
Thank you. Thank you for that meal, sir. Thank you. It was amazing. Look at this. This is my vibe right here. All this warm stuff.
Like dark greenish.
And then here's the patio. Here's the patio.
MTV Cribs.
MTV Cribs, welcome. Okay. Yeah.
It's having so much fun.
My God, he's such a child. I found some stuff that I like, so that's a good thing. And now we're gonna go grab more things. Grab a card, baby, please. We're gonna go grab more things. See, I don't need. No, but I don't know what they have here. He does not care. He just goes through whatever. Okay, aisle 8, bin 10.
Bin 10?
Well, here's the Alex drawers that they don't have. That you told me that you saw a box. Not even that one? No. There's nothing. There's nothing. Nothing that I want. No, right here. 10. Aisle 8, bin 10.
10?
Oh.
Huh? Is it because we came to Ikea and they had
Because I told you
nothing?
you can order it online and you wanted to come
They
here.
had nothing of what we wanted in the store,
No.
but it comes tomorrow.
Oh, I want it today.
Oh, what you wanted today? And you didn't let me get my black desk.
Because the room is going to be white. What? It doesn't.
Who
make
cares?
sense.
It's yin and yang. Look how nice that black desk is over there. My desk. Look at that Mickey desk. Child, come here, child. Look, child. Look over here, child.
I just want to go home. Take me home.
You wanna go home? Take you home. All right. Watch this. Wait. Where is she? Let's try this again. There you are. Where were you?
I was mad. Let's go.
Jesus. All right. Do you have anything to say to the K&M family?
You should never go to Ikea expecting to get something because you won't. So after I was super upset about Ikea, Chris decided to get us some tickets to see The Incredibles. And that's where we're going. Yes! I was telling the people that we're going. I was telling them that we're going to see The Incredibles. Oh, and we don't go to the movies looking cute, by the way. We look like
Normal civilians.
straight bums, you know. Right now, we just stopped at Walgreens because Christian can't go to the movies. Christian can't go to the movies without getting some candy or some chips or something. So we're here at Walgreens, you know. He should be coming out anytime soon, but I'm excited. We've been trying to watch this movie for like so long, and there just hasn't been seats because we go to this movie theater. It's called AMC Tam Miami, and in this movie theater you could put your legs up, and it's, you know, I like it. Like, it's not too many people, it's not too crowded. Look at him right there. Got his candy.
They thought they were gonna close on my eyes. I opened that shit up.
What time did it close, supposedly?
At 10. But like, it was like 9:59.
This is what Christian gets to go to the movies.
Yeah,
Is this really all necessary? It really isn't, but he's already eating it.